stoirai. Are you tired of constantly squinting at your screens and experiencing blurry vision? We have the perfect solution for you. In today's video, we will share with you an amazing pineapple and carrot elixir that will bring clarity to your vision and rejuvenate your eyes. Say goodbye to blurry vision with this pineapple and carrot elixir, a natural remedy that can work wonders for your eyes. Both pineapples and carrots are known for their incredible health benefits, particularly when it comes to vision improvement. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for good vision, as it helps your eyes convert light into a signal that can be transmitted to the brain. Additionally, pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps reduce inflammation in the eyes and provides relief from eye fatigue. Together, these magical ingredients form a powerful elixir that not only helps sharpen your vision, but also supports your overall eye health. This elixir is incredibly easy to prepare. Simply blend fresh pineapple slices and grated carrots together until you achieve a smooth consistency. You can adjust the ratio according to your taste preferences. Once your elixir is ready, pour it into a glass and feel free to add ice cubes for a refreshing touch. You can enjoy this elixir daily, preferably in the morning, to kickstart your day with clear, vibrant vision. This pineapple and carrot elixir is not only beneficial for our eyes but also delicious. Trust me, it's a great way to start your day. Thank you for joining us today and learning about this fantastic remedy to bid farewell to blurry vision. Remember, taking care of your eyes is crucial, especially in this digital age. So, why not try this natural elixir and give your eyes the nourishment they deserve? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Stay tuned for more health tips. Stay.